Welcome to News Today with WDW News Today. I'm Tom Koros. Here now, the news for January 28, 2019. Less than 2 weeks after we launched the weekly Walt Disney World maintenance report, we have a major success story to report to you. Brer Bear's tail has been missing from this scene at Splash Mountain since at least the early 2000s, at least to the best of my recollection. And just days after we started the weekly Walt Disney World maintenance report post at WDWNT.com, the tail has returned. Our story doesn't end there. Most of the other maintenance issues we reported for Splash Mountain at the Magic Kingdom were also fixed this week along with the tail. We'll detail all of those in this week's report on Wednesday. The true heroes of our story are those who made this happen. Whoever within the Walt Disney Company made this happen should be commended for bringing this attraction back to the expected standard. From myself, and I'm sure every Disney Parks fan on this planet, we sincerely say thank you. And I'd also like to say thank you to everybody out there who supported our weekly maintenance report. It's because of your support that it got the attention it did, and things are starting to happen. So we certainly hope this is the beginning of a trend, and we certainly hope to bring you more stories like this on a regular basis over the weeks and months ahead. And I even have Brer Bear turned backwards here. I can't imagine why. This one, look, the tail's not missing. It's great. Last week, we told you that park-specific reusable bags would be coming to Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resort, and on Sunday, we got our first look at the themed bags. They were released at Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, and even the resort hotels at both Disneyland and Walt Disney World resorts. At Hollywood Studios, you'll find a red and white bag that features the Tower of Terror, along with the park's logo and some fireworks on the front. And the back has the Luxo Ball and a Green Army Man for Toy Story Land, the Pan Pacific Auditorium entrance from the park, and an AT-AT Walker representing Star Tours and, of course, the imminent opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. The black, white, and gray Epcot bags feature Spaceship Earth, the World Showcase, Mission Space, and a monorail. Meanwhile, at Animal Kingdom, you'll find the Tree of Life, Expedition Everest, Kilimanjaro Safaris, and Banshees flying high over Pandora, the world of Avatar. The resort hotel bags at Walt Disney World feature all 4 park icons, well, at least currently used park icons. I'm looking at you, Tower of Terror. Disneyland Park, meanwhile, features It's a Small World, Space Mountain, and AT-AT, again for Star Tours and Galaxy's Edge, as well as Sleeping Beauty Castle. And at California Adventure, you'll find the Cozy Cone Motel from Cars Land, the Incredicoaster from Pixar Pier, the Carthay Circle Theater, and Mickey's Fun Wheel / Pixar Pal Around. And at the Disneyland Resort hotels, their bags feature a monorail, It's a Small World, and the castle as well. And all of the bags, of course, feature Mickey Mouse somewhere on them. Similar to the bags available at the World of Disney since last October, these reusable bags will cost anywhere from $1 to $2. Medium bags are $1.50, depending on the size you select. Following Disney's effort to reduce its use of single-use plastics by the end of the year, the bags are made from 80% recycled material. And if you're having merchandise delivered to your Disney Resort hotel from the parks, plastic bags will still be used. And of course, otherwise, plastic bags are still being offered to all guests for now at least. So you don't have to buy these, but they're a pretty good cheap souvenir, and I think the designs are pretty neat, so I think these are going to be popular. Further changes have been made to Kona Cafe's new menu at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, namely an entirely new dessert menu. Strawberry champagne, tiramisu, s'mores, banana rum trifle, tapioca, and key lime were all included in the dessert plate that servers present to your table in place of a traditional menu. There is no actual dessert menu. And if you see one you like, you simply ask for it, and they take it off of the plate, and it becomes yours. And in our case, we just had them leave the plate because we bought them all. Had to try them in the name of research, of course. And of course, if you want multiple of any dessert, they'll just go and get more of them. But at least they'll bring you that tray with one of each, so you can take a look. Some of these are even alcoholic. You can see the little alcohol dispensers on top of a couple of those. And one of them doesn't even need it. It's just in there, the champagne one. For more information on all of these items and our thoughts on the menu changes, head on over to WDWNT.com. We have 2 reviews of Kona, one with the desserts and steaks and the other with some other new items from the menu. Food merchandise fever is sweeping the Disney parks right now, and the latest piece is pillows. But not just any pillows. These pillows come with the scents of some of Disney Park's most iconic snacks. The pillows include Mickey ice cream bars, ice cream cones, cupcakes, donuts, macarons, and Dole Whips, and they all currently sell for $27.99 each. The Mickey ice cream bar and cupcake pillows have a chocolate scent, while the ice cream cone, macaron, and donut pillows smell like strawberries. That makes sense, right? And then, strawberry donut, right? The Dole Whip pillow, to the surprise of nobody, at least smells like pineapple. So they got at least one right, everybody. Sharp-eyed visitors to Walt Disney World Resort this week may have spotted something new up in the sky. While the Disney Skyliner began its initial testing, we, of course, spotted some of this at Epcot and Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort last week. Scheduled to open this fall, the Disney Skyliner will be a quote-unquote new state-of-the-art gondola system that will conveniently connect Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot to 4 resort hotels, of course being the Art of Animation, Pop Century, Caribbean Beach, and the Riviera Resort, which is now accepting guest reservations for stays beginning December 16, 2019. But Disney will remind you that is not the official opening day. I don't know what that means. Is it going to open before that? Who knows? They are not really telling us. But either way, the Skyliner's towers have been under construction for about a year, so to have a gondola up on the cables is an exciting milestone for Disney. Several gondolas will be adorned with graphics based on Disney films, attractions, and characters. So, for example, you may jump in a gondola where from the ground it'll look like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, or Chip and Dale are riding along with you. Several Disney animated films will be represented, including Beauty and the Beast, Frozen, Lilo and Stitch, Moana, Peter Pan, The Princess and the Frog, Ralph Breaks the Internet, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and Zootopia. Now you're looking at a sneak peek of a few gondolas we had not seen before. The other themed gondolas that will be part of the system include, these are new announcements, Coco, one with Goofy, Pete, Horace, Horsecollar, and Clarabelle Cow, a Finding Dory gondola, the Haunted Mansion, we have seen that one though. Monsters, Inc., Pirates of the Caribbean, and Ratatouille. These gondolas will be gliding across Walt Disney World before we know it. Mickey Soundsational Parade is back at Disneyland Park for Get Your Ears On, a Mickey and Minnie celebration. The parade added a new float featuring Goofy pulling a giant vintage Mickey Mouse toy. This float, of course, may seem familiar if you've ever seen the now-retired Happiness is Here parade from Tokyo Disneyland. That's where it's from. Also new to the parade is a birthday cake float accompanied by Chip and Dale. And these are somewhat significant in that they mark the first changes to the aging parade since it debuted back in 2011. And if you want to watch the full parade, it's right here on our YouTube channel. The Lunar New Year Festival 2019 is in full swing at DCA, Disney California Adventure. The celebration runs January 25th to February 17th, 2019 in the Paradise Gardens area of the park. In addition to special merchandise, characters, and activities, there are some special food booths offering Asian-inspired cuisine. For info on all those booths, reviews of all of them, and more info on any and all offerings that are a part of this, please visit us online at wwnt.com. For the first time in the park's history, Shanghai Disneyland has introduced an annual pass effective January 25th. There are 3 options of annual pass to choose from. There's Sunday, weekday, and Sunday, and any day. The Sunday annual pass runs for 1,299 yen for adults, 974 yen for children. That converts to approximately $192 US and $144 US respectively. The weekday and Sunday annual pass is $15.99 for adults, $11.99 for children. And last but not least, the Any Day annual pass, $32.99 for adults, $24.74 for children, elderly, and disabled guests. And those approximately are $489 and $367 US, respectively. As with most Disney annual passes, there are certain conditions and blackouts that apply. The Any Day annual pass offers 365 days of park access, but may exclude some park hours for special events. Weekday and Sunday annual pass is subject to the pass calendar, offers a minimum of 250 days of park access during pass validity period, including weekdays, Sundays, and part of the summer and winter holidays. The Sunday annual pass is subject to the pass calendar and offers a minimum of 45 days of park access a year. Benefits for the passes include approximately 20% off all dining at the Shanghai Disney Resort, approximately 20% off at Shanghai Disney Resort shops, up to 12 early park entries a year, annual pass holder shopping and dining benefits at Disneytown, surprise discounts on Shanghai Disney Resort hotel room rates, and on tickets to the Mandarin production of the Beauty and the Beast musical. Of course, for more information on these stories and more, you can head on over to WDWNT.com. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDW News Today on YouTube for more great content, and click the bell for notifications. For the worldwide leader in Disney Parks news, and for Brer Bear's Tale, which is over here and connected, this is Tom Corliss saying enjoy the rest of your today, and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.